The Site-Specific Plan Amendment process, or SSPA for short, is the process that allows citizens to submit land use changes to the Comprehensive Plan. The Comprehensive Plan is the county's guiding document for land use decisions and includes the community's vision for the future. The next nomination period for SSPA kicks off in the new year. Proposals for sites around the county will be accepted from January 13 through February 13. At this time, anyone can submit a proposal for site-specific land use changes to the Department of Planning and Development, and this inclusiveness remains a unique feature of the SSPA process. If you are familiar with the SSPA process, you will notice some updates in the cycle this year, including new submission criteria to help stakeholders understand and review the nominations. For example, nominators will need to provide property maps that use the county's vulnerability index. This will help ensure consideration of socioeconomic factors within the vicinity of a nomination from the beginning. The goal of the SSPA process is to provide the community with a voice in shaping the long-term vision of Fairfax County. If you have ideas for land use policy changes for a specific site or collection of parcels, we encourage you to learn more about the SSPA process and get involved in the upcoming cycle this winter.